Namaste, my name is Shauna Rose and I'm here to invite you to the Reset Retreat, a short day retreat that I am holding with Himalaya Yoga Valley here at the South Mall studio on December 30th from 11 till 3 p.m. The retreat is designed to give you the ultimate reset so that you may step into 2024 feeling refreshed and renewed. You will arrive into a welcoming and cozy space, and there will be a little gift waiting for you on your mat. We will begin with a grounding meditation so that you can come out of your head and into your body, feelings and sensations, and then we will open the body up with a lovely yoga practice to create space, stretching into all areas of the body, with strong poses too to build some strength, bring in heat, and balancing poses to increase concentration and focus. Whether you have a regular practice or you're a beginner, there will be options for all. After creating space in the body, you will learn some pranayama breathwork techniques to boost immunity, regulate your nervous system, and increase heat. After bringing prana into the body, we will move into a restorative practice with relaxing poses, a yoga nidra, otherwise known as yogic sleep, and a lovely sound healing experience. We will finish the retreat with tea, chats, and some healthy snacks as well. This retreat is for you to completely receive the benefits from these lovely yogic practices, and you can come alone or you can come with friends and family. My intention for you is that you leave feeling peaceful, lighter, relaxed, and more connected to yourself. When we are at peace within ourselves, we can help to contribute to a more peaceful world. You are so welcome to join, and I look forward to meeting some of you on the day. Have a beautiful Christmas and a happy New Year.